FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Flight Out D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, it is Christmas Eve. Before I get started, I want to say Merry Christmas one more time to all of you. I can't believe it's Christmas Eve and tomorrow's Christmas. 2023 flew by, but we cannot forget what the reason of the season is, right? It's not the gifts we give each other, it's the love, and it's Jesus. The word says they will know us by our love. So we should love and do as Jesus did. All right, y'all, to this video. So in this video, I decided to break up my Black Friday, Cyber Monday discount hauls and into two. One is makeup and this one here is fragrances. So I'm going to show you the fragrances that I bought on discount. It's either was Black Friday, Cyber Monday, random 20%, I don't know, but everything I bought was on sale. Now, let's get started. So I got a few perfumes in front of me. This first is from Pistachio Skincare, and they have come up with a pistachio biscotti fragrance. They only have the one size, which is 3.3 fluid ounces, but this is the Eau de Perfume. Hopefully my lights aren't blinding it out. Previously, the company only had a moisturizer and a spray mist, so this adds to their collection. But this fragrance is kind of like the Kayali Pistachio Biscotti. That's what started me really liking pistachio, and I think these will pair very well together. So that's the first one. The second one I got is this very teeny one. This is the Vanilla Musk Fragrance Oil by Nemat. I got this from Ulta. I saw Alyssa Ashley using it, and I said, ooh, I want to give that a try. So it is a sweet, enticing vanilla with musky undertones. It is indeed sweet. Y'all know I love to smell sweet. I want to be edible. So this is right up my alley. The next sale I partook in was the Victoria's Secret sale. And I bought their Bombshell Glamour fragrance and lotion. The fragrance came in this box. And y'all look at this fragrance. It is so cute. So this is the fragrance, and this is the lotion. This is a Floral Fruity Gourmand with notes of amber, peach, prosecco, and peony flowers, among other things. Isn't it cute though? So I cannot wait to use that. This next one, my niece was excited when she saw it. She's like, you got Billie Eilish? I'm like, I don't know who Billie Eilish is. I got this for the fragrance. So I got the original Billie Eilish fragrance. This is the box it comes in. And this is the fragrance. A beautiful, beautiful bottle. And this is the Amber Gourmand. It has notes of sugar petals, mandarin, warm berries, musk, and creamy vanilla, among other things. Very nice. That's how it goes. This one is the Michael Mulal Rose and Honey fragrance. This is the box it comes in. And this is the beautiful, beautiful bottle. And this is Rose and Honey. It has notes of tangerine, peach, strawberry, rose petals, honey, and caramel, among other things. These are just the notes that stood out to me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited to use all these perfumes. Now, the last two are Swiss Arabian fragrances. The first one I have is Paris Corner Noir Pineapple EDP. And this is the box it comes in. Here's the beautiful fragrance. And this one has notes of pineapple, grapefruit, jasmine, and woody notes, among other things. And the last one I have is also by Paris Corner, and this is the Tuscane Marina. So here's the box. And here's the beautiful bottle. And this one has notes of tropical orange, grapefruit, lily of the valley, jasmine, peach, musk, and black currant. Alright, y'all, that is it. Those are the fragrances I added to my collection. Just a quick video. I just wanted to get it out. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these fragrances and what you think of them, especially how their longevity is. Since I have not worn them yet, I'm not sure of the longevity, and I'm not sure of how it's going to smell once it settles on my skin. But the initial sniff, I really, really like them all. So y'all, let me know down below if you've tried it and what you think about them. But y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And until I see you in another video, stay fly, sis.